there, in this video I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. I have already inserted a SIM card on my Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. As you can see here, I have a network bar. That means there's already a SIM available here. So if you want to insert a SIM card on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, then you just need a SIM ejector pin from here that can help you to um, get this tray out of your phone. This tray will store, or this tray will hold your SIM card on the SIM card port here, and make sure that you just need to simply, let me show you again. If you put your SIM pin ejector here in this hole and simply gently push it inside, and here you can find the SIM tray has just come out, and from here you just need to just make sure here is the SIM that I have insert on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So you just need to make sure that no dust and any other particles are not attached with the SIM tray, so your SIM tray will be clean and neat and clean, and your SIM will be work properly. So make sure that you got the SIM that works properly, and you can clean it again. Now from here you'll find the SIM 2 section on your SIM tray. Here is SIM 2 and here is SIM 1. You can place it like your SIM. Here is my SIM here. Now you can place the SIM on the tray, this SIM tray, according to the size and the shape. Make sure this broken side is attached to the broken side, the same side. Keep in mind that you have to place your SIM on the exact shape that the tray has. Now you just need to put it back on your phone from this section. You just need to place this SIM tray and push it gently, and when it will it have leveled with your bottom edge, that means you have just insert the SIM card inside your device. And after some time you will find the network bar at the top side of your phone screen, and from here in the settings you can just simply go to the connections and SIM manager, and if you find the SIM that you have the SIM number and the SIM provider on your SIM manager that have listed here, that means you have just inserted SIM and it has successfully connected with your device. So that's how you can simply just add or insert SIM card on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.